What's up, guys? I'm Justin from Texas Vietnam Airsoft, reporting from North Texas during the ice storm. It's about 28 degrees out right now, and it's only the morning, so it's supposed to get worse, taller, and that is about 5 inches taller than that's supposed to be, but they're about equal. My truck, it makes me sad. It's frozen solid. Probably got about 4 inches of ice on the hood. Can't see out of the windows. And here's the door handle. It's stuck. And you have the bed, the whole front yard, and the whole street. Everything's frozen. Alright, well, just figured I'd update y'all on the ice storm. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you want.